Hindi naman siguro tatanggapin kasi mali.
Yeah.
So, may check-in namin yung baggage.
Dali ba? What's the
Kagdak Beverly. Beverly.
Yan, i-scan na yung passport. Yan, ganyan. Then, who's next?
Merly Gao.
Please remove your passport. Paila.
Paila.
Oh, it's your turn this time. Yeah.
Me first.
Mercado.
Isa. Nabidyo mo yun, ano?
Mas bad na.
So, isa-isang lalabas. Yung,
Please proceed to assistance company. Got your boarding pass. It's me.
Myla.
Kasi